Very important news on SSLC result in 3 states. Yes, I give the date of the result, SSLC result in state of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So listen very carefully. First, in Karnataka, the SSLC result declared on the first week of May. First week of May for Karnataka. For Kerala, SSLC result declared on third week of May. How? Third week of May for Kerala. And last for Tamil Nadu. For Tamil Nadu, SSLC result declared on around 20 May. Declared around 20 May. So these are the accepted date. And around this date, the SSLC result are declared. You can find your mark sheet in Umang app or DigiLocker app. DigiLocker or Umang app. In next video, I give the detail about the each state. About the each state, how check the SSLC result, how get the SSLC result in the next video. So not miss the next video, but share this very important information for the large number of students. They can check the date. If you like, subscribe, but must share. Thanks.